Hey guys, in this video we are going to review the BISSELL 2284W AutoMate Cordless Handheld Vacuum. If you want more information, please start the video. Features: dirt cup capacity 0.7 liters. 14-volt lithium-ion battery for lithium-powered cleaning. Motorized brush tool helps capture embedded dirt and pet hair. LED crevice tool illuminates hard-to-see dirt and debris. If there's one thing that cordless handheld vacuums are popular for, it's cleaning cars. After all, you probably can't use an upright or canister easily for this job due to the lack of power outlets in your driveway. Well, this task is made easy with this model. It has special car detailing accessories that we think are fantastic. For example, the motorized brush tool is designed to clean material on your seats, car mats, and trunk carpet. It can loosen and lift up dirt, crumbs, and debris. There's also a cool LED crevice tool. This isn't just your ordinary, narrow crevice tool. Instead, it has a neat design to get into nooks and crannies, as well as an attached LED light. This can help you see clearly into poorly lit areas. We also like the flexible crevice tool provided. Again, this is going to reach into those difficult spots where dust and dirt can gather. You can give your vehicle the spring clean it deserves. This one comes with a built-in 14.4-volt lithium-ion battery. This can provide around 20 minutes of continuous cleaning time. Customers say that it only takes around 30 minutes to charge. This is a lot faster than other models we've reviewed. You can use the charging adapter to give it some juice. Once it's fully charged, the indicator light will go from red to green. It's pretty simple and easy to know when it's done. The transparent dust canister will show you when it's ready to be emptied. The whole vacuum only weighs 3.1 pounds, so it's easy to carry in and out of the car. Another highlight of this model is the triple-level filtration. This may help remove pathogens and allergens from your vehicle before you hit the road. Pros: get rid of dirt and hard spots. 30 minutes full charge. Flexible crevice tool cleans hard-to-reach areas and tight spaces. Cons: lasts between 10 to 15 minutes. The cleaning tool is quite long.